Quite often customers contact us. They may well have a mobility box, or maybe it's a box on a kiddie's scooter or a ride-on vehicle or something like that, and they've taken the batteries out of the box. Now this video is not going to tell you how the rights and wrong ways of connecting up a 24 volt circuit with two 12 volt batteries. This is just to repair situations where they're not quite gone right. Now you can always contact us, send us a picture or something if you've got into this situation, but quite often a picture will end up like this, cables all over the place, no one knows what they're doing, and they say, help, I've taken the batteries out of the box, I don't know which wire goes on to what cable. The first thing we say is, well, didn't you read our paperwork? You should have taken a photograph before you took the batteries out and only changed one at a time. Obviously that doesn't go down very well, but after that we can look at this situation separately. Now this box is a 24 volt output. It takes two 12 volt batteries. Let's just push that aside and just concentrate on the batteries now. So we have two 12 volt batteries and we want to make a 24 volt system. Now on this box here you have a circuit breaker. So we're going to emulate this between these two batteries. We will take a circuit breaker. That's the bit you probably recognize from the front of the box, but this is the inside. All it is a fuse. So we connected that as a fuse, and we're going to connect, because they're the closest together, but it could be because of the outside, but the pos and neg of each battery. So now we have a positive and a negative with the circuit breaker in between. Now it's not necessarily need to be a circuit breaker. On some especially the ride-on kiddies bikes would have a fuse, and that works in the same way if this fuse is working. So instead of a circuit breaker, they may well have a fuse between the batteries. It isn't fitted on there very well. We're using the wrong terminals for it, but we'll get away with that. Now we're going to use this voltmeter as our engine, as maybe the scooter or the device it's going in. Now we know that engine needs 24 volts, and these are two 12 volt batteries. But if we connect up this engine or this scooter or this ride-on kiddies toy or lawnmower with two 12 volt batteries in, you can see that we've got 25.5 volt batteries, a battery set of 25 volts, which is the requirement for a 20 volt system. Now, as I was saying, you can have the fuse, or you can have a circuit breaker, or some other method. If we took this fuse out, it's gone back to nothing because they've broken the circuit, and we put in this circuit breaker instead, and you'll see it's back up to 25.5. This is probably the biggest problem when someone takes out both batteries, because they don't know where to put the cables. Now, these cables in this box would have gone to the back of the circuit breaker. So this is replacing this one and this one, because they're the ones that go to the circuit breaker. Whether they're on the outside or whether they're on the inside, it's not relevant, as long as you're going pos, neg, pos, neg. I think that covers about all of it. Could you please subscribe to our channel so we can continue producing these? Thank you very much. Bye.